Hey y'all, how's it going? It's John. Y'all know me as Turning Wrenches 85 here. How y'all doing today? This video here is going to be some stickers that I received in the mail here the past week. Actually, a week and a half. Been a little busy here, been dealing with some stuff outside of lawnmower repairs, unfortunately. But I want to do some show some stickers. Actually, one I just received today in the mail. I think one came from overseas. I'm not sure who it's from. That one they put on their my YouTube name, Turning Wrenches, on that one. So I received one from Roger McDonald. I received this one later. I just hadn't opened them yet. I'm trying to get them all together and do like a whole video on it, not just separate like onesie twosies. And then I got one from Henry Morawski here, so let's see what Roger sent me. I think I already know. I've been seeing them on everybody else's channels. We've got them. So let's see what we got here. Oh, let's see. Oh, I got a letter from him too. Okay. Here's Roger's sticker. He's not actually have a YouTube channel. He just fixes and flips them as well. He always supports me, and he supports everybody else in the Small Engine Nation of everything we do. He comments on everybody's videos, even mine. There, so Roger, I appreciate that. Your sticker is going to go up on my cabinet there in the shed. Let me see. Oh, here's another sticker he sent me. So he sent me two as well. There. So let me see. Let me read this real quick. All right. I just wanted to make sure it was something I could read out loud. Hi John. Here's some stickers for you and Gavin, my son. That's my son there, Gavin. I don't have one of yours on my board yet. I would appreciate it if you send me one. Yes, sir, Roger. I will send you one. No problem. I got your address, so I'll send you one out right away. So count for it to be in the mail. There. I appreciate that, Roger, very much. It's windy here today. Let me see. He sent me some. Oh. Thanks, Roger. He already sent me an envelope with his already address on there and sticker. I mean, his stamp. Thanks, Roger. I already had the stamp, but you know, I appreciate that, buddy. No problem. I already had that for you, but okay. All right, Henry Morawski. He goes by Big Dog Dad, but Henry Morawski there on YouTube. He is a law enforcement officer. Big Dog Dad, law enforcement officer. He sent me these stickers right here. Mr. Morawski, I appreciate it very much. I know I'm just a newbie to your channel. I haven't watched all your videos yet, but the little bit I've seen so far, you do very good work, sir. And I'm proud to have your sticker. And I know he got my sticker, and he gave me everybody else's sticker, and I noticed he got mine as well there, and he gave me some very good said some very good things about me, and which I do of him. He's good at what he does also. He lives up in Connecticut there, up there we're near where Ken Small Engines, Mr. Mow It All there. So thank you, Mr. Morawski. Your sticker will be going up on my cabinet as well. Last but not least, let's see who this one's from, because I'm not sure. I know somebody was sending me a sticker from overseas. I just don't know whose it is yet, so let's find out together, shall we? Oh, haha. Alright. I already know who these are from. Hopefully he'll get his sticker soon. It's Mixed Mowers. Let's get down and dirty. Actually, he's the mower man now. This is the ones he said when he said let's get down and dirty, but I know his channel now says the mower man. There, so Mick, I appreciate that very much. Hope you and Riley boy are doing very good. I saw your video on Instagram and on YouTube there with him seeing Santa Claus, so you know, that actually made me happy. That's good to see him happy like that. There, so hope Riley boy's doing good. There, thank you, Mixed Mowers, Henry Morowski, and Roger McDonald with your stickers. I brought my flashlight because my shed, I don't have a light. I'm trying to install a light in there, but I'm gonna have to run an extension cord from out here to that shed if I want to do anything in that shed. So let me go get everything set up. I'll bring you guys in the shed. This time I have a flashlight this time. So there, so let's go get set up and we'll put these stickers up on the board cabinet. Alright, a little bit more better light, so I don't probably have to use my light here. Let me go ahead and get these stickers up. I'm going to go ahead and just put them on there real quick. I'll bring you guys back and set them all up, okay? Alright, I got the stickers up. I had a little issue with Mix. The last sticker right there wanted to rip there, but I got it on there. So, you guys a little bit closer, just in case you guys can't see. There we go. Put it there so you guys can see the stickers I got. I got these from Lucas when they sent me some products. Henry from Mowers and Blowers. Bruce's Shop. Gravely Small Engine Repair. Ellis Mowers. Henry again. 615 Customs. Of course, Rogers Mowers. It's going to reflect. Unfortunately, I'm sorry. There we go. There we go. Lawnmower Detective. DRH Small Engine Repair. Ken Small Engine. And Henry Morowski, which I put you two underneath each other there. And then, of course, the man himself, Mixed Mowers, the Mower Man. There. And I'll save the two other stickers that Henry gave me and Roger gave me, because Roger told me to give it to my son. So I'll see if my son wants that too. He's not with me. He's with his mom this weekend. Here, so he's not with me. There. Oh. So, alright. I'll give you guys a little update real quick. What's going on here in my world right now. I still got a still got some mowers to go after. That camper topper, my boy 615 Customs, his brother wants it. I'm just selling it I'm gonna sell it to his brother just to get rid of it, because I got it from my truck, but it doesn't fit, and I guess it'll fit his truck that he has, so that'll free up my trailer, and I'll have it ready for next spring here, which I gotta clean up the leaves off of it. There. Let's see what else I got going on here. Still got some mowers to work on. I haven't forgot about the Kohler one there. Like I said, I've had other things been going on, and it's kind of occupied my time there. So we'll get that video out. I don't know. I'll shoot it. There's like 2 or 3 videos I need to do on some push mowers and get that all squared away. There. What else do we got going on? Let me get you guys propped up here on my truck. I'm not using my tripod today. I'm using just my truck to sit it on. Well, let's see. I just gotta do that. I'll get that video going on the valve adjustment there. And at least one of the other mowers I picked up for free. Uh, you guys seen the preview of me getting it on Instagram there, and of course we'll start working on those 2 mowers that I picked up with the weed eaters and stuff, and all that. So before I close this video out, I want to thank you guys in the Small Engine Nation. You've welcomed me with open arms, and I appreciate it very much. I learned a lot from y'all. Also, if you guys haven't seen on the news, our region here got hit with tornadoes and storms on Saturday, this past Saturday here. What date was that? Real quick, today's the 13th. It was back on the 11th there, and I don't know who that is. Anyway, back on that past Saturday, I think it was the 11th, you know, we had some severe thunderstorms and tornadoes ripped through most of the Midwest and the South area of us, parts of Kentucky and Tennessee, where I live at. We were fortunate that where I live, we didn't get hit with it. Unfortunately, there were a couple of trees down my road, and when I took my mom to work that morning, there was a tree down the road where it was dark at, and nobody couldn't see it. So I sat there for about 20 minutes, and I called, you know, the non-emergency number to report it, so nobody wouldn't hit it when they come through the hill. Because where we live at over a hill, they can hit it head on because there's no lights there. I didn't suffer no damage over here. The only thing was my little portable shed over there, which, you know, the original tarp from it from Harbor Freight went, and I just threw one of those gray tarps. It took that and blew it off to the right towards that fence, and it separated it from its it came apart, so I had to put it back together there. But I saw Zippo's video. He put up there last night, and you know, he got hit up there. He lives up there in Muncie, Indiana, and he got part of that storm there as well. And I wrote to him and I told him about what happened in our area. We got kind of hit with that too, because when it ripped through about 4 o'clock that morning, it woke me up out of a sound sleep, because the school that's across from our house, the tornado siren went off, woke me up out of a sound sleep. And, you know, all you heard was the wind blowing and all this stuff. And lights were flickering. They never went out. I know some people in our area, you know, lost power. And then, you know, a couple of towns over, it's called Hendersonville. They had a tornado. Now, I was watching the local news, and they had a tornado that touched down over there in Hendersonville. That's where my sister lives, but it wasn't the area where my sister lived. It was on the borderline of the counties, Sumner County and Davidson County and Wilson County. It hit touchdown in that area, from what I heard on the news that day. So my thought and prayers go to all those people. I know a lot of people have lost their lives, especially up there in Mayfield, Kentucky. That's north of us. No, actually south. It's like, you know, it's north of us, really, in a way. Catty-cornered, but north of us, Mayfield, up there, Mayfield, Kentucky. I know they had sustained a lot of damage. I watched that at work today, and it really hits the home of that stuff, you know. If you guys are able to, you know, donate to the American Red Cross there, I'm not sponsored. I'm just saying, you know, I know they've been doing stuff like that, you know, talking about the American Red Cross, you know, donate there. We didn't get hit for it. We were fortunate. We just, you know, got a lot of wind and rain there, and there's a lot of debris that got knocked down. Other than that, you know, no trees went down over here in my area. But, you know, going back to that, if you guys want to support the American Red Cross and the efforts, you know, to try to recover stuff in, you know, the vicinity of our region. You know, I'm sure they'll appreciate that very much. Again, thank you guys for the stickers that sent them to me. I appreciate it. And like I said, thank you guys for welcoming me into the small engine nation with open arms. There, you know, when I first started out, I just made videos. I didn't think I would get up to where I'm at right now. As my count right now on subscribers, I am. Let's see. Let me get an accurate reading on this. Let's see if I'm right about this. I think I looked. I was at 667. So I'm almost close to that milestone. Yeah. As of right now, I'm at 667 there. So you know, I appreciate you guys there very much. Also want to congratulate real quick, Boneyard Garage. He went over 1,000 subscribers there. So Mr. Bono, congratulations on surpassing that mark. And also Douglas there, Mr. Tecumseh, he is on YouTube. He went over his 1,000 subscribers. I know he gave me a shout out on there. You know, I was just trying to help him any way possible to see, you know, just use my platform, even though I'm not at that mark yet. But you know, he was closer than I was, so you know, I was helping. I was more than grateful to bump him over there. So, Doug, congratulations, brother. You deserve it for all you do there. I appreciate your videos there. You gotta get a tripod, brother. I understand. Yeah, hopefully enough now you can get a tripod there. If you're not, I'll send you one. I'll send you one of my little ones there if you want one. But I know he wants to do everything by hand and show everybody, which, you know, that's more knowledgeable to do it that way. And he works with what he's got, so I can understand that. That's how I was doing originally. I was using a phone to record everything, and then, you know, I bumped up to this little action camera there and stuff. So, but yeah, I wanted to thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate all you do. Smash that thumbs up if you like it. Check out all the other channels we have in our small engine nation there, and especially overseas as well. Oh yeah, one more thing. Congratulations, Rob, Small Engine Repair. I saw, brother, that you reached your 200 subscribers. Good milestone there. Keep up the good work. I'll enjoy your videos. I saw you posted one up today about your bike. I'll be watching that one too. So, thank you guys for watching. This is, keep on wrenching, y'all. I'll see you guys next time.